Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and happy Black History Month. Why did I stutter? Why did I really stutter trying to say Black History Month? That should have rolled off my tongue like butter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Black History Month. There we go, that was great. Obviously this is a video on how I do this style. It'll be a much cleaner version because this right now is crusty and dirty and nasty, but I want to go ahead and record this intro for you guys this morning. But before we get started on that, obviously I have chopped my hair off again. Now, if you've seen my last video, you're probably wondering like, what the heck, weren't you just talking about like growing it out, blah, 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 blah. Yes, but I wanted to start all the way over. I realized this after posting that video, obviously, that I wanted to completely start all the way over for several reasons. I didn't want to have to worry about repairing my hair while trying to grow it, which is why I just cut it off again. I did a lot of color processing like a few months ago, you know, like how my hair was super brown. Well, I think that was pretty damaging to my hair, and I wanted to focus on the actual growing aspect of my hair and not repairing the damaged parts before they can grow more. I hope that makes sense. Another reason why I did it is because I was looking at all the videos that I've posted, and I've done, you know, different ones here and there, and it's been over like a long period of time, and I realized I only did actually 3 videos, actually maybe even only like 2 videos with an actual TWA. Like I said in my last video, I'd never really appreciated my hair and the different stages of its growth. And so I kind of wanted to start over so I'd have a fresh start at that, trying different things like slicking my hair back and stuff. Like I never did that, and I really want to do that because I know it's about to look bomb. There was another big point that I'm missing and I can't think of what it was. Oh! How could I forget? I've told you guys several times that, like, you know, I struggle with confidence. It's kind of always been my downfall, and literally everything that I do, it's always like not feeling confident about myself and all that. But like I've heard a few things, and one of the things that kind of hit me where it hurts was like sometimes her hair be looking crazy and like she looks like a boy and because I don't wear makeup on campus. Like I have no time. I literally go to class, do my workouts, and sit in the library. Yeah, I kind of heard when people were like, or I was hearing that like people were like, oh, like she looks like a boy, or and mind you, some people, you know, were joking about it and it was fine, but then like I knew that other people, like, it wasn't really a joke, and I was like, oh, okay. So I kind of had a little moment, but then, you know, I had to bounce back, which is where my kind of little lesson comes in. Do not let unknowns ruin your life. And I say ruin, not necessarily ruin, but I mean, don't live life unconfidently because you're worried about all these other people. Some of these people may not even know you exist. Don't spend a lot of time worrying about what other people think, because it doesn't matter. If you feel good, if you feel beautiful, feel good and feel beautiful. Does it matter if they agree or disagree? No. If they agree, hey, more power to you, you know, build more confidence off of that. But if they don't, okay, fine, who are they to you? And if they are, you know, someone important to you, like, and, you know, you really care about their opinion, well, then just don't care about their opinion because it don't matter. But my point is, don't be afraid to do you, because in the end, you are all that you have, and it only matters how you make yourself feel and how you're making others feel. I thought that was really important just to share with you guys and hopefully give some of you words of wisdom. That is pretty much it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and show you guys how I achieve this style again. It'll look much cleaner than this, and honestly I'm gonna do it on this side because y'all see this, it's like this little like bald spot. Like I'll do like my curl, like my coils or like my twists and stuff, and they like, it'll just like Red Sea move all out the way, and I'm just like, dude. So I'm gonna do my part actually on this side. The video that you guys are about to see is how I achieved this look. I will tell you guys about the products that I'm using, where I bought them, the prices, all that good stuff, and yeah. So I hope this intro wasn't too long and boring for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment something down below. And please follow me on Instagram at itsema_. That is it. I love you guys. I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. So I like to start off with freshly washed hair, and then I'm going to go in with my Essential 17 hair growth oil. This really stimulates your scalp and nourishes and strengthens the hair follicle, which is really good for hair growth, obviously. So I really like to take my time and massage my scalp with this all over, just to make sure that the nutrients are getting everywhere and my scalp is really soaking up everything. Despite me already adding oil to my hair, which traps in the moisture, I do like to spritz my hair with water just because I like the way it adheres to the products that I apply afterwards. Next, I'm using the Goddess Curls Botanical Gel. I personally only like using Eco Styler gels or gels similar to it, but as you'll see momentarily, I was running really low and I had nothing else. So I did end up using this one a little bit before just to start forming the curls before I applied my gel. The plus side to this though is that it does prevent frizz as much as possible, and it has mango, shea butter, and plumera flower, which is said to revitalize damaged hair and add moisture. So even though it doesn't form the curls to my liking, this does add a little bit more moisture to my hair. So next is our Eco Styler gel. The picture that I have is the one that has crystal in it, but the one that I actually use in this video is the one with argan oil. But as you can tell by my face, I was running low and I've already bought my new one, so I threw away the old like packaging or whatever. But it's the same gel, just one has a different added ingredient than the other. I basically just massage this through my hair in kind of every direction. This just really allows my curls just to form the way that they do naturally without any extra, like twisting or styling or any type of that. Like I just run it through my hair and just run it through my fingers and kind of just mess around with it until I kind of see like the curls forming. Now I understand some people might not be as willing to brush their hair, but I do like to brush my hair in the direction that I want the curls to go. This just, like the bristles on the brush kind of allow the curls to form a little bit better, but doing so in the direction that I want it to, so that way when I make my part, everything is like flowing and I don't have curls all over the place. So I am going to apply a little bit more of that Eco Styler gel to the front part of my hair. The whole first inch of my head has a very different texture than the rest, so I like to really give extra attention to this part of my hair to make sure that the curl pattern matches the rest of my hair. This next part took me forever and it was incredibly tedious and annoying, but I like to just part my hair off to the side. This time I did my right side like I mentioned earlier, just to try and cover up the little bald spot that I have. So you can personalize this however you want. If you like to go to slant like me, you can, or if you like to do it straight on, it's however you would like, however like suits you best. Then I go ahead and pin off the top part and I'll go ahead and work with the end. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more of that Eco Styler gel just to get those pieces to lay down a little bit better. And then I'm going to go in with the Olive Oil ORS Edge Control. This stuff is super good for laying down your hair, especially if you have shorter hair. Like this really gets everything stuck and put down. So I do like to use a little bit of this just to really define that part area, because we do want that area to look very crisp and very clean. So in order to keep both the part and the hair around the part defined, I like to just press down the hair that is laid and finger coil the hair that is beneath it. And this just kind of softens up the look so it doesn't look as forced, making it look a lot more natural. Here I'm just repeating the same exact process on the top part of my hair, but I don't make this as defined since it kind of flows in with the rest of my hair, so it's a little bit more of a looser curl, but I'm basically doing the same exact process. And then we are done. So that concludes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.